Hey, getting the phone number already used error on Discord can be super frustrating. You try to verify your account, but Discord won't let you proceed. In this guide, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix the Discord phone number already used error in 2026. Let's get it sorted. First, double check if your phone number is already linked to another Discord account. If you've ever used this number before, even briefly, Discord will prevent it from being reused. If your number is tied to another account, log into that account and remove the phone number from settings. Go to User Settings arrow, My Account arrow, Edit arrow. Remove phone number. Sometimes, even after removing it, Discord may take a few hours or up to 24 hours to let you use that number again. Patience is key here. Try again later if it still blocks you. If waiting isn't an option, you can temporarily use another phone number for verification. Just make sure it's a number you own and can receive SMS codes on. If none of this works, it's time to contact Discord support. Explain the issue and provide proof that the phone number belongs to you. Discord support can manually unlink the number so you can verify your account. As a tip, avoid swapping phone numbers between accounts too often. Discord may flag them and block verification temporarily. Keeping one number linked per account avoids this error. And that's it. One of these fixes should solve the Discord phone number already used error and get your account verified. If this helped, check out my other quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.